The power of Agwu in Igbo spirituality. Many hear about Agwu, but they do not understand the power behind it. Agwu is not just a spirit. Some people say it's a spirit of madness. It is never a spirit of madness. Agwu is wisdom, knowledge, revelation, healing, and spiritual authority. Here are the deep powers of Agwu. Here are the deep powers of Agwu. Number one, I will give you spiritual knowledge. I will open the inner eyes, mind, and spirit in the force that allow you to understand, to see the hidden secret, to interpret dreams, know what ordinary eyes cannot see, understand mysteries of life and destiny. Without Agu, a spiritual person has no power. Remember, everyone here on this earth is a spiritual person. So without Agu, you have no power. Number two, powers of Agu. Agu reveals the cause of problems. When you align yourself with your Agu, you will be able to know the cause of problems. Many spirits can show power, but only Agu can show the root of a problem. Agu exposes who is fighting you. Agu exposes why you are suffering. Agwu exposes what your chin wants. Agwu exposes what the ancestors demand. Agwu exposes what your destiny is saying. This is why every true person, every true spiritual person, everybody, every true Igbo son and daughter needs to align themselves with your Agwu. My name is High Dr. Eriwa Gwagu.